Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Novriana Sumarti. I am from Institut Teknologi Bandung, Indonesia. Thank you very much for the time given to me for presenting the result of our work. The title of my presentation is An Implementation of Real Options with Learning Process on Bitcoin Mining Projects. I was working with Febi Suryawan and Ahmad Sumitro. They are my former students from Mathematics Department at Institut Teknologi Bandung, Indonesia. The outline of my presentation is following. The first one is introduction, which will state the motivation of the research. The second is the explanation of valuation of project using a real option method. Option is an instrument in financial market, but we implement the similar scheme into real projects, so we call it real options. Later, I will explain details on project of Bitcoin mining, develop some mathematical models for the calculation of cash flow potentially received in this project, doing valuation of this project to see how worth the project is by implementing the real option method, which is modified with a learning process into the project in order to increase the value of the project. The last one is the conclusion. Bitcoin was created in 2009. It's the first cryptocurrency where its transactions are made without any intermediary, including banks. It can be used not only to buy things and services, but also can be traded. The aim of Bitcoin is to become a globally adopted currency, which eventually could replace conventional money in the future. Bitcoin has become potential assets to invest in because its high price volatilities. However, the project of getting Bitcoins or mining Bitcoins can be a very high risk project, and there are still rejection from some countries. In a Bitcoin project, we use the real option methods. That is one approach to long-term problems for assessing and making decisions in investment. Using a binomial tree, the option will be installed in specific times. So at that times, we can consider about the future of the project, whether to abandon, to continue, or to expand the project. In this real option, we add a learning process. That is a method that adaptive to the manager's information during an investment, so that the accumulation of the information gives the decreasing volatility of the project, providing lower uncertainty along the way to the end. This learning process will modify the form of the binomial tree that will be used. By definition, a real option is a right, not an obligation, to take several actions on a project within a certain period of time until a maturity time or expiry date. There are many types of real option. Three of them are abandonment, expansion, and timing. The first one, abandonment, is a termination option that gives rise to the investor to terminate the project and sell the asset when the project's cash flow decreases. By having the termination option, the investor can sell the asset to the writer of the option for a certain price that has been agreed upon, which is usually greater than the price of asset or project when it is sold in the market. An expansion option is the right given to the investor to increase the capital of investment or expand the project if the project has a high significant growth in the future. And a timing option is the right given to the holder of the option, which is the investor, to postpone or temporarily stop the project if the market of the project experiences an undesirable condition, until the investor has more information about the project. Traditionally, we use discounted cash flow method or DCF for valuation of a project. Now we use a binomial tree to see the growth of potential cash flows in the next time step that can be higher or lower than the previous values. Here I show you the stages to make a binomial tree that have been modified by Brandao, Dreyer, and Han in their paper in year 2015. We calculate the payout rate of cash flow that is called delta I, which is defined as the ratio between the cash flow at time I and the present value of the cash flow at time I, using the risk-free interest rate RI. Here the time step is monthly. The second stage is valuation of project by forward step I from 1 to n. We don't implement the real option yet. The values of Vji and Vj-1i are following these formulas, where u is the factor of an up move and an increase of value, and d is a down move or a decrease of value. Then we calculate the stepwise cash flow using this formula. The last stage is valuation of project using backward steps. Now we implement two real options, which are expansion and abandonment at particular time steps. For example, at fixed ends of years K1 up to Km. At the time step J, which is not K1 up to Km, the new value of project is the cash flow from the stage 3 plus the expected value of two valuation of project in one step ahead. At the year the option being implemented, the value of project is the maximum of three conditions. The first condition is the same with the previous one, where the project will be continued as usual. The second one contains the execution of expansion option, where rho here is a new share portion owned by the investor as an increase from the previous share option. This project value is subtracted by the cost of this increase of share portion. The last one is the execution of abandoning the project, when the investor decides to sell the project with price DV and they stop the project. We choose the maximum value from these three conditions and determine it as the value of the project. There is an additional feature that changes the form of the constructed binomial tree. This one is the original one, where the time steps are uniform with the same length of intervals. Due to a rapid learning process, the constructed form here is like this, when the time steps are not uniform. So the binomial tree has various lengths of branches. It means that the higher angle of a branch, the larger value of volatility. It shows that the volatility is higher at the beginning of the project, but it decreases along the way to the end of the project. In the formula of up move factor contains three different variances, which reflect three sources of uncertainties that will be explained in the next slide. In the determination of the time steps Tn, the formula is also containing three uncertainties. Those are A0, which is uncertainty of the completeness of the obtained information and the asset being observed. Theta is a constant that says how quickly the uncertainty can be reduced. And sigma is coming from variances of the binomial tree for learning option model. Now I explain about the Bitcoin mining project. Mining is a process for issuing new Bitcoins by verifying transactions occurring in the Bitcoin network. The verification process is a process to find solutions to difficult mathematical problems based on a cryptographic hash algorithm or SHA-256 algorithm in Bitcoin. Miners are the Bitcoin network users who compete to be the first to find solutions to math problems with help from the computers for processing Bitcoin transactions. There are two kinds of rewards here. The new coins created for each new block and a transaction cost for successful verified transaction. We need to develop some mathematical modeling capturing the dynamics of variables involved in cash flow formula. These four formulas are derived from the fitting process based on the real historical data from several years. Having done the mining, some new Bitcoins are created as the reward. Here, the reward is decreasing based on the predetermined protocol of Bitcoin. In running a complete Bitcoin protocol, there is a level of difficulty. To find solution, the greater the difficulty, the smaller the income earned by the miners. Finally, we define a formula of the amount of Bitcoins generated in month I, that is JI, and the last formula will define the net cash flow in the form of the pool fee for the company from the new generated Bitcoins minus the operational cost containing the power cost. Alpha is initial share portion owned by the company, that is 75%. We assume that there is a company employing 50 miners that gets revenue from the amount of Bitcoin obtained and transaction costs from the mining process. The period of project is 5 years. Initially, the investor only has 75% share of the company. We analyze whether there are significant differences on the values in USD of project valuation or not. If we implement abandon and expansion options at the ends of years 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the abandonment option, the investor can sell the project for $12,000 if the project will be expected to fail. On the other hand, the investor has option to expand the project by increase of share portion by 25% with $8,000 as the cost. Due to the implementation of the learning process, the distribution of time steps is not uniform. There are 36 time steps in the first years, and there are 8, 6, 5, and 5 time steps for each year afterward. This shows that the shorter time interval with high volatilities occur in year 1. This figure shows the project value up to the end of year 1. The red circle gives indication of expansion for the investor. For example, if the project value is about 53,350, then the investor should exercise the expansion option by purchasing the remaining 25% share portion of the project. It also follows the same decision for these 10 red circles. In this table, the number of indications to terminate more than any other indication, while the number of indications to expand more than to continue. The lower table shows that the implementation of real option gives a significant increases of the project values for each year. Here are the conclusion. The first one, investment in Bitcoin mining project is predicted to be beneficial. The second one is the value of project with option increases by a maximum of 1.32 times the value of project without options and minimum of 1.28 times to the value of the project without options. And the last one is the application of real options with a learning process in the Bitcoin mining project has the impact of reducing the volatility of the Bitcoin mining project over a period of 5 years. These are our references. Thank you very much for your attention.